Hello guys, good morning. How are you? We are now cooking for a simple puto. Puto means white cake. In American, this one is called white cake. This one have an ingredients of all-purpose flour, 2 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of powder, or we make beer brand powder, or we call this one pwede rin yung gata, we can use for coconut milk if possible. We can 1 cup of sugar, this one the measurement cup, coffee cup, and 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 1 glass of water. And toppings, we don't use cheese because it's one expensive. For the toppings, we can use the racing for the toppings. And then we have also uh, cooking oil. This one cooking oil we can use for uh, molded for not thick. Hindi didikit sa molded for puto. We already put now is one. We can use only 1 spoon, or we can use star margarine, we can use butter, and then we can use rice cooker for the steamer. We can steam for 15 minutes. Now we can start now, guys. First, we mix the powder, the milk powder, 1 cup of milk powder, like this, guys. Mix it well, mix you well like this, and then put the baking powder to sugar, then put little water. We can just 1 glass water, we melt like this, guys. So coming there, good. Melt the water like this, mix this like this, and until the dissolve the sugar and this baking soda. And then, guys, we put now in the powder mix, and like this, guys, like that. See, guys, 1 cup of this, guys. We blend like this, guys, blend until the flour and milk powder dissolve, like this, guys, dissolve. So we put now the other extra water for this, guys, like this, guys, until mixture well, because we don't use any blender like this. We can use a spoon for simple only. This one only simple work of making puto. White cake is called in English white cake, made of flour and milk only. It's a simple milk. You can see, guys, how you can see the ingredients, or you can see in your kitchen you have milk like this, simple making, guys, like that, guys. Then mix well, guys, until this dissolve powder. Mix well, so, guys. Just only add a little water also. Maybe half, 1/3. Maybe about the other sugar here. So good. So See guys? That guys. We blend this one guys like this, blending well. So the milk powder, you can use coconut powder or coconut milk, coconut fresh milk or powder milk, coconut powder. You can blend it this guys till the flour will melt. When it melt like this guys, see guys, blend like this, better mix so that the sugar, the milk, this one flour melt also. Mix like this guy. See guys, make puto, simple puto. Now stir like this guys. Blend well, blend it well so no other powder remain. So it's melt like stirring like this guys. Simple merienda sa Filipino or American puto, American white cake. This one is very nice guys. Simple merienda meal. Down we put one by one guys here in molded area. We put now guys like this guys. See guys, put that guys. You can control guys how much you like, because this one is pop this one after cooking, and we cooking 15 minutes guys, only for 2 4 6 7 7 guys. See guys, so you see not yet now. Okay now guys. So guys, see, just like that, simple use. You don't use, if you no money, you can use this one, scoop like this, that guys. You budgeting your time, your money, not too much expense like this guys. See, that only level for 5 inch, 5 guhit ang sa ibabaw, and then that guy we now put in the rice cooker steamer. See guys, already hot now. We steam maybe 15 minutes or 8 minutes. When time is cooking, we now open the power. Okay guys, we waiting for the steaming for 15 minutes. The other preservative guys we can use, we can put another here for this other side. So all before we waiting for time, we can put here another setup like this guys. See, 15 minutes waiting till the, see, 7 and one cooking time 7. So we put it 7 guys, like that guys. This called the molded cup. We can now put here, guys, one by one. We serve it well like this, but we put first oil, guys. Oil here, so no coming thick. Okay, oil, cooking oil, or you can use butter, star margarine, dairy cream, melted dairy cream, so the flavor will taste good like this, guys. See, like this, guys. See, we prepare now already, guys. Then we put the melted flour, this measurement, waiting for the timer, guys, like this, guys. See, wait this one, guys. See, guys, ang puto flour, all-purpose flour. Oh, we can use a malagkit, or this one we call this one malagkit, white rice, or rice flour, grain rice flour we can use also. We can use also extra rice. This one rice cooking already cooked. You can grind that one, you can use, and you can use like this, guys. Waiting for 15 minutes time. Bago natin ano, guys, waiting. Ito yung ginamit ko, guys, na powder. Mega Tipid Beer Brand fortified. This one also same coconut milk powder taste, but if you like natural, you can use a coconut fresh milk. And it can before waiting, guys, we have to swimming, guys. Wait, see, well done, welcoming, guys. See, guys, steaming well done. But we can use for pork or stick. We have we can use pork for the testing after this one is cooking well done or not yet. While waiting cooking on the rice cooker steaming, see, guys, too much time we waiting, guys. 15 minutes cooking. Waiting, guys. Ito lang yung mga simple na ating gagawin. Ito ang pinaka-toppings natin, guys. Racing. Galing pa sa ano to? Saudi o made in India. Gawi ko to, guys. Galing ng India. Sa Saudi. Sa Jordan pa galing to. Gumamit tayo ng rice cooker na G-Pass. Galing din ng Saudi yan guys. Habang nag-aantay tayo guys ng time. Wait, this one for this one puto is very smooth, suitable, smooth and it tastes good. Have flour, vitamin A, B, protein and potassium. Have also the potassium because we use all-purpose flour. We use the milk, the beer brand milk. Beer brand milk guys, see, very strong. We provide your son or your child providing for the strong body build up. This beer brand is affordable also guys. If you have in your kitchen, you can use this one guys. No need to take coconut milk, but coconut milk is the better because coconut milk is very delicious for the taste. But this beer brand, it also delicious guys because but may powder. If you go use natural, you can use coconut milk, grind coconut milk. You can use also cheese for the toppings this, but is guys, see guys, so easy. This one very easy cooking. Sabi nga nila ang puto ay sumikat sa Amerika. Nagmula sa Amerika dinuguang puto bago na i-stand daw ang 7-Eleven. When they starting for the store of 7-Eleven, the first business this one owner is puto, dinuguang puto. After they are making convenience store and called the sari-sari store, which is mix, have all foods, all drinks, everything there you can find in 7-Eleven because I worked before there in 1993. This one convenience store or the emergency store that you can buy your lot of food you want. You can buy their noodles, hot dog, bread, ice cream, there everything there guys. And 7-Eleven, you can buy soft drink, fresh milk, you can buy also bat soup, powder, and my cans, corned beef, Youngstown, sardines, siopaw, siomai, and fresh milk, different drinks, coke, like that, you shampoo, lotion. This one convenience 24 hours 7-Eleven also. This one good guys. See, we can check later guys. We can check later guys. Nice guys, see, now we can testing guys. It's already 8 minutes now. See guys, puto is wow. Oh, now cooking already. We have trying for 2 minutes more guys. 2 minutes already cooking now. 3 minutes. In making this one puto is very easy budget, not expensive. Same white cake, all have you can use for your visitors, you can use for your merienda for your neighbors or others. What you want there, you can use it, guys. Now we see now, guys, here now the outcome of our cooking puto. See, guys. Oops. Guys, good. Waiting for guys, now okay. Puto now is already cooking. We remove now, guys, here. See? Puto now is already cooked. See, guys? Aywa. Serving puto, guys. You can put racing here upside. So only decoration is, guys, for taste. See, guys? Puto. Just only simple, guys. Puto. See? This is good puto, guys. Wow. Just like that, guys. Serving is nice. Puto. Now, puto now is already cooked, guys. See? We put another, so another molded, guys. This one puto. 4, 5, 6, 7. See, guys? So easy. Only 10 minutes. 10 minutes cooking. See, guys? Delicious. Wow, so good, guys. These are our puto now, guys. You can put toppings here. If you have cheese, you can put here. So tastes good. You can put also raisin for decoration, for the tasting, for appetizer. Now, guys, ready cook. Now, thank you for watching, guys. You have now a simple merienda for this puto. And you can put your in the ref before taste you eat this one. You can put in the ref for your free merienda, guys. Thank you for watching. Please likes and subscribe, guys, for our recipes puto with racing toppings. In English, we call this one white cake made of flour, coconut milk, sugar, and racing. See, guys? Now it's okay, guys. Thank you for watching. See you soon for another recipes we have made for you. Thank you. We love you, guys. Please like our and subscribe our recipes. Simple puto. Thank you. Bye.